Hi, my name is Ann Barnes, and I am in the MCC 1-year program, and I am in the creativity and presentations group. And so today I'm going to be combining both of those topics and talking about Canva. And Canva perfectly encapsulates both these groups because it adds the artistic side and you can use it in your class to present and do other things. So to start off, I'm going to talk about how we log on. So I've gone to canva.com, so that's where you launch it and type it in. It's also found on the iPad, and you can use it on your iPhone even too, so it's super handy. So you can create an account right here. It actually has a teacher setting, but what I have done instead is I have logged in right here with my Facebook account, or you can log in with Google, but I've done with Facebook. So it's super easy, and then it's going to launch right in. So you can see right here, I've played with it a little bit. But if you go right here, you can see all the options we have with Canva. So to get started, you can see there's tons of choices. There's a presentation, you can create posters, you can create a resume, yearbooks, thank you cards, Instagram posts if your class has an Instagram, just tons of things, CD covers, web banners, a logo, even a business card. I know some teachers have those as well. So I think for teachers, the most handy thing probably to learn would be about the presentation mode, which I'm the most familiar with. And so it's like creating a simple slideshow. So I just clicked on it right there. And the first thing you can do is title your design. So I'll call this app presentation. So this is just what's going to be saved under. Super easy. The next step is to create, to choose which template you want to use for your presentation. So as you can see, there's tons to choose from, and they just like keep going. And right here, you can see that it says free. So many of these templates are free, but you can pay for some that are even a little more fancy. But as you can see, more often than not, they're going to be free. So let's just choose one. Design thinking, that's education. So it's super easy. Once I've chosen a template, I can just drag it and drop it just like that. To change aspects of my presentation, all I do is click on it, and I can change the title and do app presentation. And as you can see, it kind of went on another line, but it's super easy because all I can do is just make the font a little smaller. Voila! You can change the font kind of type right here. Right there, see how it's different? You can change the color of some graphics and the fonts. So right here, I can change the color to any color I want. These are going to be the document colors, so the theme has certain colors, and so this is the theme's colors. But you can choose many different options, so I like pink. You can change the background of your presentation, so if you want it to be gray, and you can even edit the graphics that are in the presentation. You can make it smaller or bigger, or you can flip them, make them pretty crazy. To add a new slide, all you do is just click Add New Slide, and then you can drag any of the templates, the rest of the templates. As you can see, there's many options. So whatever you want to do, if you want to do percentages, if you want more of a content slide, you can do that. You just drag it and keep going. So that's how you create your slide. When you're ready to present, all you hit is the presentation part, and you're ready to go. Hit Escape to go back to it. Now, if you want to share your presentation, you can hit Share, and you can type the email address. You can type yours if you want to send it to your email, or to your students, or to your professors. You can do that. Another thing that I've done is I've just downloaded my slides into a PDF, which makes it really easy for everyone just to scroll through. You can choose which pages you want to send, or if you want to do all of them, and then you hit download right there. You can also order prints, and so like you can choose the different sizes, and that's what you've done. I've never personally done that, but it's an option. And this is the button that you hit to make it public or not. Okay, so that's really cool for a slideshow, but what if you want to create something else? Canva has so many different templates that you can use, so I really suggest exploring further. Choose another one, just hit Canva to go back to the main page. These are all the presentations and things that I've played around with. As you can see, if you want to see my resume, it's right there. That's super helpful. You can also make just graphics too. So let's see what else we can create. Ooh, let's look at the resume because the resumes are a lot of fun. And I think that teachers, it's really important to put it on EdJoin and it should make it pop and really stand out. So again, like tons of templates are free, but the ones that have a $ right here are going to cost money. They usually cost around $1 though, so it's not too bad. So we can just choose a resume. If we want to like, oh, it seems really small, so we can make it closer by going right here and then editing from there. Same thing. You can click on it and then change the color. You can change the font, if you want bullet points, and so on. So thank you so much for watching my screencast. If you have any questions, my Twitter handle is @AnnBarnes23, and I'll see you in class. Thanks for watching my screencast.